Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. I have a real quick grocery haul today. I spent about $123. So before I put in my order, I did do pickup. I looked through my freezer and refrigerator to see what I needed to use up to make my meal plan, which I will show y'all as soon as I'm through going over everything I got. So I didn't have to get a whole lot, but I didn't really have any meat either, so that made the price jump up a lot. But anyways, got a 5-pound bag of potatoes, 2 Milo's tea, sandwich meat that we always have to have for my son's school lunch. Gonna be doing pigs in a blanket one night, so I picked up some little Smokies. I got Gatorades also for my son's lunch. Picked up this pack of steak. It was the cheapest pack. 2 1-pound packs of ground beef. And some shredded cheese, sliced cheese, and some of the pre-cooked bacon, brioche buns. Also for my son's school lunch, as well as the cereal bars. I put 2 of those in his lunchbox every day, so I got 2 boxes of those. I got some salad mix and some shredded lettuce. These are for the pigs in a blanket. I'll probably only use 1 can one night, but then I'll probably have some sausages left over, so I got 2 cans. And I know you can't be picky if you're not going to go to the grocery store yourself, but this bell pepper and this one, actually, both of them, look like the ones that I already have in my refrigerator that I'm about to throw away, which is why I had to buy 2 more because I left them in there too long. Picked up some grape tomatoes, green beans, tomato sauce, and I got a can of French style green beans because I like to have those sometimes as a side. These are both going to be going in a new recipe that we haven't had yet. Got some Tostitos scoops, 2 packages of brown gravy mix. They only have the low sodium kind, which I need anyway, so that's fine, but they didn't have McCormick's. Got some O's cereal for my son's breakfast. Flamin' Hot Lay's, those are his favorite chips right now. I picked up him and my daughter some lemonade, and I got some Frito scoops, 4 cans of chili beans, and 2 cans of Rotel. And then I got that massive 40-count bottled water. My son usually takes 2 bottled waters to school every day. This should last at least a week with meals anyway. I know I'll need milk and stuff like that soon, but I should have enough meals for a week, and then I will make another meal plan and go back. So here is my meal plan. Today is Wednesday, so we're having chicken Alfredo tonight. I just thought about something. They didn't send my chicken. Okay, so I'll be going back to Walmart. But so we're having chicken Alfredo tonight, or maybe not now. I have a frozen chili already made up from my freezer meals prep that I did. So I'll be doing that tomorrow. Buffalo chicken dip with pigs in a blanket Friday. Slow cooker Frito taco bowls for Saturday, and I will have that linked in the video when I cook it. That is a recipe that I got off Pinterest. So is this sausage, green bean, and potato casserole for Sunday. And then Monday we will do steak and gravy on rice with salad. And then Tuesdays are for tacos. So we will be doing tacos / taco salads for Tuesday. It's going to be all. I am about to look back on the Walmart app, make sure I ordered it, but I know I did, and get in touch with them. So I did have to go back to Walmart, and they said what happened was they were supposed to do it as a substitution because they didn't have the chicken that I ordered. So instead they gave me 2 packs of thin sliced chicken breast, which was definitely more than I paid because I paid $5.31 for the pack that I wanted, and they ended up giving me these 2 packs both $7.20. That is going to be all for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new around here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thank you all for watching.